Welcome back to Mac and PC Prime Video. Today I'm going to show you guys a very quick way to change your start mode so that you can easily switch back and forth from having your playhead stop where you press stop or returning to the start location. Now in Cubase 15, it's very simple. You just go to the transport option on the top, go to start mode, and then you can actually select or unselect return to start position on stop. However, there is a faster way, and that's by creating a custom key command for this option. So right now here, I have this option, return to start position on stop. And you can see I already assigned a custom key command for me. I chose V. So with this on, if I press play and then I press stop, you'll see my playhead go back wherever the location was that I pressed start from. So if I do it from here, and I press stop, it goes right back to that spot. Now with my custom key command, I'm going to click V. You'll see right here. Return to start. Position on stop has been deactivated, so now when I press stop, the playhead is not going to go back to where it was. So you see it pretty much paused and stayed at that same location that I pressed. Stop it. And now if I want to go back V, and now you can see that it's been activated. Now, if you want to create that custom key command, just go to Cubase. At the top, go down to the bottom where it says Key Commands. Go ahead and search Stop, and then you'll see Transport. And then you can choose whatever key command you want. For me, I prefer V. If you don't have that, once you select it, you can go ahead and press V on your keyboard and it'll assign. If you have V assigned to another key command, then you'll have to replace it. Now, a quick little note. I do like to have the return to start position on stop when I'm making beats, but when I'm actually mixing and editing audio, I prefer to have that off. But again, Cubase, please give me the option to be able to pause or stop the playhead from moving with a different key command. That'd be amazing. So there you have it. That's how simple it is to switch back and forth between those two different start modes. Hopefully this video helped you. If it did, please drop a like on this video. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and please make sure to subscribe. I have a lot more Cubase tutorials on this channel. Make sure to check out that playlist. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.